Hi, well I hope you are hungry. In this video, we are going to show you a delicious dinner recipe. Chicken with port wine, cream, and a touch of Dijon mustard. Well, this recipe is very easy to make. Delicious. Well, let's get going. For the ingredients, we will need 4 chicken legs. Now, you can substitute lamb chops or pork chops for the chicken legs. To that, we will need a generous amount of salt and pepper. Now, to make the sauce, we will need 2/3 of a cup of port wine. And you want to make sure you use a good tasting port wine. So here I have one from Portugal. In addition, you will need 2/3 of a cup of heavy cream, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and about 2 tablespoons of some kind of fat to cook our chicken or meat. I like to use a combination of oil and butter, so here I have about a tablespoon of oil and a tablespoon of unsalted butter. Before we start cooking our chicken, we want to make sure we salt and pepper both sides of the chicken legs or the meat that you're using. So now we are ready to cook our chicken. So here I have a large frying pan over a medium heat. I have heated the oil, melted the butter, and now I'm going to start placing our chicken legs in the pan. Now we're going to let the chicken legs cook on both sides till they reach internal temperature 160, 165. So we're going to start off first cooking it with the skin side down. Well, we're going to cover the chicken, and this will help cook the chicken a little quicker. Well, the chicken has been cooking for about 10 minutes, and we are ready to flip. Doesn't that look delicious? Flip this the other way, just like that. Okay. And we're going to cover it again. Well, it's been another 10 minutes. So now we want to check the temperature of our chicken. So I have my meat thermometer here, and I'm just going to insert it just to see how much longer. Ooh, actually it looks like it's done. Let's check it just to make sure. Yeah, I'm one of those people that wants to make sure that the chicken is well cooked. Well, it's definitely done. So now what I'm going to do is I am going to turn the heat off, and we're going to remove the chicken and place it on a warming dish. So now with the chicken removed and the heat off, we're going to pour the port. Then I'm using a spatula. We're going to deglaze the pan. I'm going to turn on the heat back again to medium. Continue deglazing the pan. And we're going to let this cook about 2 minutes. We want to cook the alcohol out of the sauce right now. So let's just let this cook for a little longer. So now we are ready to add the cream, the mustard. So now we have added the mustard and the cream, and we're going to whisk. And we're going to let the sauce cook till it starts to thicken. Well, the sauce is thickening. It looks delicious, and believe me, it tastes delicious. We are ready to return the chicken to the sauce. And we're going to return the chicken just briefly, enough to coat it. So you just kind of want to flip it, just like this, just for a second. There. And we leave the chicken in it just for about a minute to 2 minutes. So here we have the final product, the chicken leg. And I have paired it with egg noodles. Now you could use potatoes or rice. I find that the egg noodles really taste good. And of course, don't forget to add your vegetables.